Good day, everyone. Welcome to BST African Electronic Surgery. And yeah, we have to fix something. And what do we have? We have this Digimark subwoofer. Let me fix. You see this speaker? The speaker is on, but no sound. That is the problem with this speaker. This speaker has no sound. Plug in the memory card. Volume up. You can see the change in volume 40, 45, 50. But no sound is coming out from this speaker. So let's learn how we can fix the sound things, okay? Let's learn how we can fix the sound things. How we can fix something like that. How we can fix the sound. Let's check out the screws. Why there's no sound on this speaker? In most cases, we have fault with the sound ICs. In most cases, but we'll see. But the first suspect, no sound. First to suspect the sound IC. That's the first suspect. Most of the screws are missing. Maybe someone wants to try something. Okay. Okay. No broken cables. So why? Okay, let's see what's going on here. Let's see now. So what do we have? We have a simple linear power supply. This is the big transformer. And that's the primary stage. You can see these two wires, red wires on the input, 220, 230 volts. On the output, we have these two blue wires, which are coming here, and we have those 4 diodes which are changing AC to DC after the transformer, and the filter capacitor. This one looks like a regulator, linear regulator 7805, and that the sound IC 7379 here. TDA7379. Okay. Here we have this capacitor with a bump, a slight bump, but I don't think that's the problem. Okay. Let's go further. Let's do further checking here. Let's check out this board and try to concentrate on the sound IC. TDA7379. How can you take out this? One more screw here. How is everyone? Yeah, those are the kind of jobs which I'm getting these days. No sound, no sound, no sound job. Okay. We don't need this one. We need this one. So what can be fault on this board? Physical inspection. All what I can see is this capacitor. 470 16 volts with a bump on top. Maybe you can't see. So those are capacitor on the output. Let's check for short. No short. Check this. You can see. What did I told you? These are you see this capacitor on the output is reading a short. Why? Because of one good reason. We have a fault sound IC. That's a good indication of a fault sound IC. So I will replace this sound IC. What I did last week, 2 weeks back, I ordered a chip from China. Let me show you. You see this? A bunch of chips. I ordered this from China through AliExpress, and what did I pay? I pay all around you know, things, components are getting cheap these days. Let me show you. How much did I pay? $12.41 US dollar, including shipping. So for 10 sound IC chips, I pay like $12.41, which is a fair price. But yeah, what I don't know is, are these chips 100% working? That's what I don't know. So we'll see. We'll see. How we can replace this chip. Okay. That's our new chip, TDA7377. And what do we have here? Here we have 7379. This one is 7377. Slightly different. What do you think? Is this going to work? Let's try. Let's take down the chip. Hopefully this is going to work here. I just hope so. We'll replace the sound chip and that capacitor, which has got a bump on top. You know, some kind of bulged capacitors. How we can replace such kind of chips with the big legs, with so many legs? How we can replace such kind of chip? The chip is out. That's the chip. Now we need to concentrate on those pins. That's what we need to do here. Let me use desoldering pump. You see this pump? Just to take out the solder. That's a good tool to use to open the holes, so that when you come with the new chip, everything will be easy. Yeah, that's a desoldering pump to open the veins or the holes, just to make the job easy. Okay. Cleaning. You need to clean and make sure that no solder between pins. That's all what we have to do here. All pins looks fine. All pins looks fine. All pins looks fine. Okay. Let's see. All the pins looks fine. You see those pins? All the pins looks fine. So coming with the new chip, it's very simple. Very simple, because we open the veins. All now what we have to do is to solder those pins. Yeah. Good. Good. Let's solder all those pins one by one. Good here. Yeah, this chip has got so many pins, and the pins, they are too closer. So you should try by all means to avoid bridges. this one, this one, this one, and this one. All looks fine now. Looks fine. Everything perfect. You can see that I've replaced this chip. So let's see. The chip has been replaced, and all what is left is to test. So yeah, we need to replace that capacitor. Let me take this capacitor quickly. That's the capacitor of the bump. It's not flat on top. So I'll replace that capacitor. I'll check for short. After that, we'll test the subwoofer. After that, we'll test the subwoofer. We must have a working subwoofer here. You know, the sound things, they give you sound devices. When you are fixing sound problem, you get assurance that if you have fixed something, you have that feeling that I fixed this thing 100%, no doubts. No doubts at all. So hopefully we have a working subwoofer here. I just hope so. Because we did not replace this with the same sound chip. It's not exactly the same, but it's almost the same. And all what those chips they are doing, they are amplifying the sound on subwoofers. So I'm sure it has to work. I'm sure it has to work. So I finish replacing the capacitor. I finish replacing the sound IC. So what I will do, let me put all together and we'll come back for testing, okay? Let's do the final test now. I've put all together and we need to test on and we need to change to Bluetooth. You can hear the sound. It's now on Bluetooth. So how can I test this one? I need to connect with the phone. I'll connect one tweeter and the phone. And the phone. Connected. It's now connected. songs, you can hear the sound. It's working. It's working. Hear the bass. It's working. You can hear the sound. It's working. It's working fine. Yeah, it's working fine. You can hear the sound. Even volume up. Can you hear the sound? So I'll stop this video now. If you have this kind of subwoofer, is coming on but it's no sound, the first suspect, replace this chip. You see this chip? This was TDA7379, and replaced with TDA7377. So like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates, and also comment, like and share please. If you don't understand anything, just leave a comment, and yeah, I'll try to respond to you in the future. That was just a TDA7377 sound amplifier IC replacement. See you on the next one. Bye.